Thanks for joining. Today I'm going to show you how to change the coolant on a 2007 CBR 1000. So I'm going to pull the lower fairing first here. There should be two quick screws right here. One of them is missing on this bike, so we're just going to remove that one first. You can take that out all the way. You may want a small flathead screwdriver to just help you. Alright, so the next bolts that I want to take out are the two front ones. Then I'll move on to these. And now finally, I will take the last two out on both sides. I'm just going to get this back one close. That way it will still support the back of this for a moment while I get the other ones. Now you should be able to come down and back with it. Now we're going to drain the coolant. This is the drain bolt right here on the left side of the bike for the coolant. Now I've created this elaborate, well planned out, well thought setup to not spill a drop. I have a stool, I have an old oil can, I have a funnel, and I have a bungee cord up here. Watch me fail. So this is a 10mm bolt. We're going to pop that loose. We are already starting to leak. Now I'm going to hook my bungee cord up and get it under there. The really nice part about a bungee cord is you can still pull it down and get it out of the way. Now at the moment it's just going into the oil can, or oil catch pan. I'm going to give this another quick little turn here. I'm going to disconnect the cover on the radiator. And now it's draining. I don't know what the capacity is off the top of my head on this bike, so I'm going to have to watch this jug and make sure I don't overfill it. Torque spec on this bolt when it goes back in should be 7 foot-pounds. I didn't find it on the list over there right now, but 6mm bolts generally between 7 and 9 foot-pounds. By 6mm bolt, I mean the diameter of this shaft. So we use a 10mm socket on there, but this is a 6mm bolt.
This is the calm before the storm. You know what's coming, so be warned. You can't stop me now. You can't stop me now. My feet have come too far for you. To tie you to the ground. You can't stop me now. You can't stop me now. Set my sights on where I'm going now. You're turning back around. You can't stop me.
Check out the complete playlist of disassembling and reassembling this bike and the engine.